There you have the high-flying black and gold of your United States Army Parachute Team, the Golden Knights.
Cool.
As you may have guessed, these jumpers are facing a unique situation, a traffic jam in the sky. They will today be performing a show line spread, where each jumper is assigned a position to land in along the show line. What they're looking for is the loudest group. Wave your hats and you jump, as each jumper will show the best group what it is like to land under these flexible wing gliders. These jumpers train year-round on piloting their parachutes, but they always seem to fly just a little bit better when they can hear the roar of a Cleveland crowd. Please make some noise as they bring it into the target area. Parachutes used by the Golden Knights are flexible wing gliders constructed of lightweight trim-stop nylon. These parachutes have an inherent forward airspeed of 22 miles per hour. You'll notice that this first parachute is colored differently than the rest. This signifies that he is an elite member of the Golden Knights. He has packed over 40,000 parachutes, and his diligent packing has saved the lives of over a dozen team members. Please give it up for the Gold Demonstration Team. Notice the tail of the parachute curl under. This slows the jumper's speed while reducing their rate of descent, as they bring it in for fine airborne landings. You'll notice that one parachute high above is smaller than the rest. This is a high-performance canopy capable of going much faster than these accuracy canopies. As this last jumper's boots hits the ground, this will conclude our performance for the morning. On behalf of the entire team, I would like to thank each and every one of you for being such a warm and receptive airborne audience.